Okay. Here with me is the LEAGOO KIICAA Power, and I'll be unboxing what's in this pack. Okay, so let's start. It is sealed, you can see. So let's see what's in this box. So wow, nice seal. Okay, here's the LEAGOO phone itself, the LEAGOO KIICAA Power phone itself. I'm just going to drop it here. Okay, let's see what's more in this box. Okay. Okay, so we have our charger, our USB cable, and our silicone case. Okay, so basically in this box it's contained, we have the LEAGOO KIICAA phone, the USB cable, the charger, and the pouch. Okay, basically we don't have an earphone, and it's so unfortunate. So